Yeah, good afternoon, YouTube. So we've got kind of a mostly cloudy day today. The sun's been coming in and out of the clouds, and I just wanted to run the camera here and see if I can catch the fan turning on. It was running a little bit earlier and it has turned itself off. And I kind of see a little break in the clouds. You can kind of catch the brightness of the sky through the window there. But we'll see if it turns itself back on. And there we go. The sun came out behind the clouds, turned the fan on. I think that is working okay now. And you can see there goes the sun behind the cloud again. This one may drop out. And there we go. It turned itself off. And there we go. Fans just about stopped. Yeah, so that's one whole cycle. Turned on, turned off. It's like everything works, because this is the kind of conditions that it had trouble with before. Like I mentioned in the previous video, with the diode feeding back to the 30 terminal on the relay, which is the common terminal, the relay coil has to first be turned on before any power can be fed up to the fans, either from the solar panel or from the power supply. Just a slight change in the wiring and makes it work a little better. And the way things work, this voltage from the solar panel going to the relay coil never gets above the power supply voltage until the relay gets turned on, because the relay coil is holding the panel voltage down, and you can see it just turned on again. So when the voltage across the relay coil hits about 7 volts, then the relay turns on and connects this terminal to that terminal, and then if the solar panel voltage then exceeds 12 volts, any additional current is passed from the relay coil down to the 30 terminals. See what the voltage reads here. Actually, I've got about 11 volts now at the panel, so the panel actually isn't putting out higher voltage than the power supply right now. It's putting out enough to turn the relay on, but it's not putting out more than the DC power supply input. But anyway, that is the system working. It seems to cycle on and off all by itself. It does take a little bit of time for this panel to heat up, so it's not a perfect control system. You know, a thermostat would allow you to work off of the air panel temperature, but that's a lot more complicated because now you've got to get a wire back behind the panel, and then you've got to attach it someplace to the panel where it picks up the air temperature inside, and then you've got to have some sort of adjustment on that to turn it on and off at the right value, where this way it's just strictly driven off of the sun. If there's enough sun to turn on the relay, there's probably enough to heat the air. Now it's starting to warm up a little bit. Yeah, there's not a lot of thermal mass in this system, so I think this simple relay and solar panel control system is pretty effective here. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the system turning on and off automatically like it's supposed to, and that seems to be working today. It is definitely clouds and then sun and then clouds and sun. And you can see here comes the sun is going behind a cloud, and it just turned off. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the system working as designed. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel for updates. And as always, thanks for watching.